everyone, welcome back. Well, since Big Chef, I know the name, it's Big Chef and Lil Chef, but Big Chef ain't here. It's me, Lil Chef. So today we're gonna make chocolate truffles. This is the first time we're making some dessert. The first thing first, we need some condensed milk. Okay, so we need 240 grams of condensed milk. So I'm just gonna transfer it into pot real quick. I'll have to put this on the stove to make it like a little hotter and more good. No, it can be that lumpy. Oh yeah, let's get started. One more thing. Big Chef uses a small stove. I'm gonna use the big one. So let's get started.
A few moments later.
If you want to know when it's ready, just see if the foams on the sides have been bursting. So if they are, then just take it out.
More moments later.
And we're done. You can see the bubbles coming out. So that means it's ready. And take it out quickly so it doesn't burn. So now we need to put some cocoa powder. And you also need a sieve at the size of this bowl to make it easier for you to put the cocoa powder in. And 100 grams of cocoa powder, no sugar. So yeah, let's just put it in. Okay, so sift your cocoa powder. If it gets lumpy, use a spoon. If the cocoa powder is already in, so yeah, you gotta mix it again. Mix it properly to avoid lumps. If you want to know when it's done, the color will turn dark brown. Once the chocolatey goodness is done, put it in a container of your choice, line it with parchment paper. Do not forget to put on the plastic foil. Okay, so after you're done putting this in a tray with foil, so now you have to do is just seal it up and refrigerate for 2 hours. After those 2 hours, take it out, get a cutting board, fill it with cocoa powder, a little bit of cocoa powder, and then put your chocolate in. After you put your chocolate in, get a coating of cocoa powder again, and boom, here's the results. Okay, so now you have to cut it. Okay, so if you want to know the equal ratio of cutting them, you can make the marks. Okay, so yeah, just cut them. Speed run. Okay, now we gotta sprinkle some cocoa powder on top of them. If you want to make it an easier way, use a sieve and a spoon to get that flow out quickly. And we're done. Well, see you next time on Big Chef, Lil Chef. Wait. I did not even show them. Decorate with your favorite toppings and then you're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and also turn on post notifications. And see you next time on Big Chef, Lil Chef. Bye.